Let's perform a quick unboxing of POCO F7 Pro. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, how the phone looks like, and let's get right into it. So let's open the box and let's see what we can find inside. Of course, here is our phone. We're gonna take a look at it just in a moment. I'm gonna just put it down over here for now. First, I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box. So we have this paper box over here, which is quite huge. There's nothing there. At the back of the box over here, maybe it's actually front, but let's say it is the back, we have the eject tool. And after opening the eject tool, as you can see, we have the USB cable. It is USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other. Then we also have the guide and safety information and a protective little case that looks like this. Let me actually take it out. There we go. This is how the case looks like. A pretty simple case. Alright, so now let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's put it to the side for now. Gonna take out the phone. And there it is. Pretty shiny. This is of course the back of the phone. We have 3 lenses, I believe. I'm not sure if that is the lens. I'm just gonna check that in a moment. And of course this is the front. Pretty standard. On the right side we have 2 volume buttons and the power button. There is nothing at the top. And at the bottom we have the SIM tray. I believe this is the microphone, the charging port, USB-C, and speakers. That is essentially it. Okay, so after checking some information, I believe that this over here, this thing, is actually the IR blaster. So quite a weird position for IR blaster, since most of the time it was at the top, but as you can see, not in this case. So we have 2 camera lenses in total over here. The main camera has 50 megapixels and the ultra wide camera has 8 megapixels. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!